In front of me is REALME 13 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable it. Choose Vibration and Haptics to manage all of those switches next to all of those features, and this way enable or disable vibrations for them. Go back, hit Sound Mode and tap on Vibrate to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. And last but not least, scroll all the way down to hit Tones and tap on this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to manage this option as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!